cabin would be able to mount small arms in the helicopter's side windows. The first flight of the prototype was in September 1969, and 3 years later it came into service with the Soviet Army. Of course, being a battlefield helicopter for operations in that environment, it incorporates a large amount of armour plating to protect both the crew and any soldiers who may be on board. Over to the next display. It's good news throughout the sequence of the classic Hind profile with those two cockpits. This is the Mi-25, which is the export version of the Mi-24V, because the Mi-24 is perhaps a more familiar designation of this helicopter. And this is the most numerous variant of over 1,500 being made. By the Rostvertol plant at Rostov-on-Don in Russia. You see that at present the undercarriage on this Czech Hind is retracted, while the modern ones being built, which are rather different beasts. In fact, there's been given a fixed undercarriage. Of course, they have rather more advanced avionics weaponry at their disposal. Pretty much every conflict from the late 1970s onwards, we see the undercarriage now coming down, in which Soviet or Soviet-backed forces operated. The Hind was there. First of all, with Ethiopia in their war against Somalia in the late 70s, and particularly when the Soviets invaded Afghanistan in 1979 to 80, and that really helped perfect the operational experience that was gained there. Thankfully, this is not bad, and the Hind is now very much Hinds went to the Czech Air Force when Czechoslovakia split up, and then since they've had more delivered from Russia as new, that's in part payment of a Russian debt. They generally use them now for close air support sorties, and the Czechs have also assisted the new Afghan Air Force as they've built up operations, supplying them with a number of Hinds, as well as assistance in pilot training. Just 17 of them are in use now with the 221st Helicopter Squadron based at Námesh nad Oslavu. Very relevant to multiple there behind. service with the Czech Air Force, which has modernised extensively in recent years, receiving the likes of the Saab Gripen fighter and the Aero L159 that we saw earlier. And they haven't got that long in service left, these helicopters. It'll be a sad day when they go. Very popular machine with its pilots to this day, used extensively in multinational exercises, not least the NATO Tiger Meets, of which the 221st Helicopter Squadron is a regular participant. NATO Tiger Meet at Erland in Norway a couple of years ago, where the Czech Hinds were being used to support Italian Agustabel AV-212 helicopters in combat search and rescue missions in the Norwegian mountains. Heading the flight crew today is the pilot in command from the 221st Helicopter Squadron, Major Jan Banitsky. Also on board today, co-pilot, Officer First Class Marek Matloch and Flight Engineer Vladimir Pospishil. Gear down once again for a rolling landing. In watching this display, we remember also the Czechoslovak pilots